Anthropic has once again found itself at the center of an online controversy, following earlier criticism over its destructive scanning of physical books. This time, the issue involves Claude's new content marking policy. Some users have publicly said they plan to cancel their subscriptions, although there is currently no reliable data showing how widespread those cancellations are. Here is what Anthropic has actually announced. Claude models launched in the European Union on or after August 2, 2026, will support machine-readable marking from the day they are released. Once a model supports the system, its markings will apply worldwide across Claude's applications, API, coding tools, and supported cloud platforms. Importantly, this does not mean that every response produced by every existing Claude model is already watermarked. Anthropic says it is still working to add marking support to models released before August 2. For text, the watermark is not a hidden character or piece of metadata. It is an imperceptible statistical pattern introduced as Claude generates its response. The pattern travels with copied text and may survive limited editing, although heavy rewriting, translation, or paraphrasing can make it undetectable. Anthropic says this policy is intended to support transparency and help the company comply with Article 50 of the EU AI Act and its accompanying code of practice. However, there is an important complication. Imagine writing a 500-word article entirely by yourself and asking Claude only to correct the punctuation and grammar. Anthropic acknowledges that the resulting output may still carry a Claude mark, even though the underlying ideas and language originated with you. That does not mean a detector can conclusively declare that Claude wrote the article. According to Anthropic, a detected mark indicates only that the content may have been processed by Claude. It does not prove that Claude was the original author. This distinction matters because the EU AI Act specifically provides an exception for standard editing assistance that does not substantially alter the original material or its meaning. Anthropic's technical implementation may therefore mark some content that the law itself would not necessarily require to be marked. There is also a practical limitation. Anthropic has not yet released full public documentation for its detection system. The company also acknowledges that short passages, extensively edited text, or content mixed with other writing may not produce a reliable signal. Predictably, people are already discussing tools that could paraphrase marked content until the signal is no longer detectable. Whether such tools will work consistently remains unknown, but Anthropic's own documentation confirms that extensive rewriting can weaken detection. The real debate, then, is not simply about whether AI-generated content should be transparent. It is about whether a signal showing that AI touched a document could be mistakenly treated as proof that AI authored it. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next episode.